What's up, folks? I want to tell you exactly what I mean when I say when you want to make a deal happen and you want a car, you do everything you have to do to make that deal happen, okay? Now, I'll give you a quick example. I'm not going to run this too long, okay? Quick story time. I'm trying to buy a car, okay? It's a Honda Passport years ago. It's kind of rough, but it ran good, and I knew I could make a little bit of money with it, okay? So I'm arguing with this guy for about fucking a half hour. I want to choke him. He doesn't want to sell the car. No. I'm trying to get the car for $500, right? No, I don't want to sell it. I need $1,000, blah, blah, blah. So I'm going, dude, the car's a piece of shit. Just sell me the fucking car. You get rid of the car, and that's it. So we're arguing, and next thing you know, his wife comes putting along. So she's standing there, and he walks away. No, I'm not selling the car. I'm not going to, no. And he leaves. So I grabbed the wife. I said, listen to me. I need you to get through to this guy. I need you to tell your husband to sell this car. Tell him I don't want to see the car anymore. The car's a piece of shit. Get it out of here. I don't want it. Now, when he comes out and he sells me this car for $500, I'm going to give you $50 on the side. Okay? She's like, really? I go, yes. Get him to sell me the car for $500, and I will give you $50. Believe me when I tell you, I'm not bullshitting you. She goes inside. They start talking Spanish. Back and forth. I hear them. He's yelling. And she's... So, about a minute later, he comes walking out. Just take the car. Just take it. I don't care. Just give me $500. I don't care. Give him $500. So I'm lingering around because I know she's coming out for the $50. So he goes back inside. She walks around the side of the car. I see her. I take the $50. Bing. Thank you very much. And I appreciate it. That's how you get a deal done. Whatever it takes. And I sold that car and I made a nice profit on it. That's how you make it happen. All right, folks. Like, comment, subscribe. Real short story time. A little something that happened out there on the street.